Hello guys, this is the dashboard of my original account. As you can see, this is XC Live Broker and this is a real account. And in this video, I am going to talk about my gold and other trades. As you can see, this is a chart of gold and this is history. I am on history. As you can see, this is my balance. $3,280, and let's talk about the history. So I have just deposited $3,000 couple of days ago. As you can see, this is the uh, this is the all history that I have shared on that structure. As you can see, I have deposited $3,100, and after that I have only taken I think 7 or 8 trades, and in that trade I have just successfully trying to manage to earn $170. As you can see, the risk is very small, as we have open the trades with 0.01, 0.05 and 0.07 lots. So this is the original dashboard according to my signals analysis that I share in my free group. So you can join this group for your help, and you can already, and many people are already getting the profit, and you are missing that profit. So simply join it and enjoy the profit. Thank you very much.